Hello, April here, and today is this. It's been a long time since I've done an actual video for this channel, and I will apologize for the audio. This is not my camera. My Rode mic doesn't plug into it. So, if the audio sucks, it's been a while since I've done this. This is going to be fun. This is the Poppin Cookin Tanoshii Ramen with mango pudding. Got water. Got scissors because you have to cut apart the tray. I'll open this, show you what I got, and then I will angle you down so you can actually see what I'm doing. Comes bag, like always. I bought this at a place called Box Lunch. Inside, we get fork, powder, dough powder, noodle powder, yellow, soup powder, brown, ingredients in the red bag, and then mango pudding in the orange. And then you get, you get a bag to make your noodles, a mold, and then this will help you shape your gyoza. Here's your bowl. This is just a mixing tray, and then this is to make a naruto and an egg. I will angle you down, and then we will begin. I didn't mention toothpick, but there's a toothpick. So first thing you have to do is cut apart your trays. You have to cut around the entire gyoza mold. I think he wants you to cut around this bowl a little bit too. And also cut this out. So we got everything cut out. I need this one too. And then I also cut this, but we don't really need that just now. Unless I want to use this side. Alright, first thing we're going to do is make mango pudding. Add water to the cup until it is half full. Thank you for letting me guess. Got our container. We've got our powder. Then it says add water halfway up the mold. I think that's halfway. And mix. Mango pudding. Done. Okay, next we're gonna make the ramen toppings / dough powder, because this is also going to be used to make the gyoza. So we're gonna pour water up to the line. Just drippy dropping into it and pull it all. Oh, it seems like a lot. Mix. This is not big enough. I'm supposed to. I'm just gonna do it. It's starting to feel more dough-like, less sticky. I wish I had gotten this before they made it all sweet, because it used to be savory. Alright, so it says to take 2 little pieces and fill the naruto egg molds. That really isn't going to take much, so it's a really small piece of dough that you need to make your egg and your naruto. If it wasn't too long, it'll be easier to make quarters out of. I think that's good enough. I think 2 of these are going to be spring rolls. We're going to use number H. Number H. There's one. Alright. They're not perfectly circular, but good enough. I'll use the more circular ones for the actual gyoza mold. And this, you want to press it in, and then you take right back. Quickly fold and press. I'm going to trim the excess. No, don't do that. You'll ruin it. Not the most pretty. Try again. So we got 2 gyoza. Just place them right here. Next is the spring roll. And then I feel like that's enough, right? One spring roll. There's 2. Now ramen. Pour water up to the line. So I will. I think I just stopped paying attention to what I was doing. There we go. You add powder from the brown packet, the soup powder. Definitely looks like beef bouillon. Smells like cola, and I already hate it. Got water up to the line in this tray, and then see if that's pre-mixed. No, that smells like cola too. Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Where's the bag? There's the bag. So you take the toothpick that they provide, insert it into one of the corners. You get to choose. It's your own free will. And poke it through. And then squeeze the mixture into the brown liquid. Okay. How is that looking? Looks like ramen. No, I've seen some people take some of the noodle insides and give the eggy yolk. I feel like I've got just enough. Yeah, I do. Egg. Naruto. And last but not least, our mango pudding. I'm just gonna go around the edge real quick. Pudding! Pudding, please. It's coming. There's your mint top. There it is. It is coming. Just gonna squeeze it all the way up. Not too bad. We have completed our meal. Let's start with the not as terrifying things. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this texture, but it's not as bad of a texture. I do like the inside, so I'm gonna have to try this. It reminds me of kind of like pixie stick powder. All right, here's my spring roll. Exact same texture, exact same flavor. The flavor of the dough is like a little bit citrusy. I don't know, maybe it's trying to be ramen, but usually it tastes like bubblegum to me, so I could be wrong. Ramen, soda, strawberry, cola, and mango flavors. So it was supposed to be ramen. Strawberry. Are these supposed to be strawberry? I don't think so. If it's supposed to be strawberry, it doesn't taste like strawberry. And then eating that again, it tastes like Smarties. This is Smarties. We can't go to dessert, even though I don't want to eat this ramen. Ooh. I don't want that much. Okay, the noodle texture isn't bad. The flavor of the cola in the noodles is not that strong. Please. And even though I hate cola flavored things, this is not that bad. It reminds me of when I was a kid, in our stockings where you get the lip smackers, and that smells / tastes like the cola chapstick. Don't want to eat the rest of it, but it's not that bad. Alright, last but not least, pudding. Okay. The flavor in this isn't that bad, but I don't know if I'd call that mango. It reminds me of when I go to get boba, I get a peach nectar. It tastes like that. It tastes like the peach nectar. The texture is not like pudding, it's definitely like a jelly, which is, you know, what it is. So overall, not a bad kit. Pretty easy. A little more intricate than, say, you know, natty. Like I said, I got this at a place called Box Lunch. You can find them online. This Poppin Cookin Ramen kit, I give a thumbs up. Flavor was good. Texture wasn't bad. It's a pretty easy kit, very hands-on, so kids would like it. I don't know what else to say about it other than it was okay. So if you like this video or videos like these, including anything food related, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, April's Place. All my links to social media are down in the description, and also on the end card my social handles will be there for you to look at. I also have a second channel, April's Space, where I do more beauty, fashion, vlogs, everyday lifestyle things, so if that's more your style, feel free to subscribe to there. I also launched my Patreon, no pressure, but it would help me out a lot. Even $2, which is the lowest tier. So if you're interested in that, the link for that will also be in the description. I hope you enjoyed